The insert icon in the cells group is used to insert cells, rows, and columns in a worksheet. You can also use it to insert new worksheets in a workbook. To insert a cell in front of cell A1 on the same row, select A1 and then select Insert Cells. In the pop-up window, you see various options. You can insert a cell on the same row by selecting the first option, which will shift the existing data to the right. The second option allows you to insert a cell above the existing data. The other two options allow you to insert an entire row or column. Let's select the first option and click OK. A new cell is inserted in front of the existing cell. To insert a new row above row 9, click any cell in the row and select Insert Sheet Rows. Similarly, use Insert Sheet Columns to insert a new column. The Insert Sheet option is used to insert a new worksheet before the active worksheet. The Delete icon in the Cells group is used to delete cells, rows, columns, and worksheet. Try out the different options. The process is similar to using the Insert icon. The Format icon in the Cells group offers various useful options related to the cells. You can specify the cell size in terms of row height and column width. To keep certain data confidential or prevent the display of unimportant data, you can hide specific rows and columns from a worksheet. For example, to hide the data in column E, click any cell within the column and select Format, Hide and Unhide, Hide Columns. You can see that the column is no longer visible. To redisplay it, simply select Format, Hide and Unhide, Unhide Columns. You can hide and unhide rows and sheets in a similar way. To rename a sheet, select Format, Rename Sheet. Then on the Sheet tab, type the new name and press Enter. To move a sheet, that is, to reposition it, select Format, Move or Copy Sheet. In the Move or Copy window, select the sheet before which it is to be positioned and click OK. The sheet now appears at the specified position. To make a copy of a sheet, in the Move or Copy window, check the Create a Copy box and click OK. A copy of the sheet with the same name followed by the number 2 in the brackets is created.